Hey guys, welcome back to EQ Planes, and today we are doing Whatever Happened to the Douglas Aircraft Company. The Douglas Aircraft Company was founded by Donald Willis Douglas on July the 22nd, 1921 in Santa Monica, California. They produced a wide range of consumer and military jets, some of the most notable ones including the DC-3, DC-8, MD-80, and DC-10. The problem started back with the DC-8, which was their first jetliner, meant to compete with the Boeing 707. Douglas had problems trying to meet the demand for the aircraft, and had the same issue with the DC-9 and A-4 Skyhawk. But the biggest problems they had were with the DC-10. Development costs had spiraled out of control, which wasn't helped by many crashes caused by a faulty cargo door, which led to a large scandal and eventually the temporary grounding of the aircraft. Even after that, they still needed to compete with Lockheed's L-1011, which was a very similar jet. Douglas was running out of money, and eventually agreed to merge with the McDonnell Aircraft Corporation to become McDonnell Douglas. Even after producing planes like the MD-80 and MD-11, they were still at a loss of money, and in 1997 they merged with their longtime rival Boeing. And that was the end of Douglas. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you back next time.